Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change or customize your front screen on your GoPro Hero 9 or up. I'll show you how to turn it off and all the different modes on the front screen. And if you like to record underwater, I have a tip for you at the end of the video. So first we're going to swipe from the top of our screen to get to our quick buttons. And here we have this icon right here. This customizes our front screen. So right now my screen is off, that's what that X means. And as you can see, my screen is showing no info, it's just completely off. So next up we have status only, and this just displays the status of what we're currently doing. So when we're in video mode, the front screen doesn't show the video we're taking like it does on the main screen. On the front screen, it shows the SD card space, the preset, the mode we're in, stuff like that. So the next one we have is actual screen. And what the actual screen one is when we're in the back, it shows the current recording, the whole video, without maximizing it to your screen, so it shows your entire aspect ratio. Next is full screen. So full screen just maximizes the video to your front screen without showing the edges. So this is for maybe if you wanted to only care about the center of the screen and make sure everything's centered, and you don't really care about the entire ratio of the video. If you'd like to see a lot of info, you should do actual screen, or if you just want to see the centered video, you should just do full screen. If you don't want to see the video, but you want to see info, you can do status only, which does save a little bit of battery, but the big battery saver here is screen off, because it just completely turns off that screen and no battery is going toward that screen, so if your battery is low, you can turn that screen off. So here's a tip for people who record underwater. So I know this isn't a fully front screen oriented tip, but I'm including it here because it does show it on the front screen. So there's this shortcut you can do by pressing both buttons at the same time, the top button and the side button. And sometimes when you do this, you might accidentally start recording. That happens to me a lot. See, like this right here. But once you do finally get it right here, you'll see a list of settings, or a list of presets here. So this is a list of all your presets for the current mode you're in, so I'm in video mode. So these are all my presets, and you can change this just by pressing those buttons, and it lets you choose between them. And the reason this is an underwater tip is because you cannot touch the screen while you're underwater, if you have a case or not, because the water will act as a hand pressing down on your screen. And I know that these settings do show on the main screen as well, but I decided to add it in this video because it does show on the front screen, and it's also just a good tip for underwater. So I do hope that this video was helpful to you, and if it was, please consider subscribing and check my channel for more videos like this. See you next time.